Imagine holding the keys to a child's future. What would you unlock first? Early education doesn't just shape young minds. It fuels lifelong curiosity, builds confidence, and lights the first sparks of possibility. Each lesson is more than an exercise. It's a step in a journey where every child learns who they might become. Great early educators know the classroom isn't just a space for facts and figures. It's a launch pad for dreams. When you patiently help a child form letters or encourage the courage to ask why, you set them on a path none of us can fully predict. The bonds you create, the mistakes you gently correct, and the stories you share ripple far beyond these early years. Some days will test every ounce of your patience, but remember, progress is measured in smiles and sudden bursts of laughter. Tiny victories, a shy child sharing a story, a stubborn learner finally grasping a concept. These are the rewards unique to early education. If you ever doubt your impact, picture an entire generation stepping into the world, shaped by the enthusiasm and resilience you've instilled. You're their first guide, showing them that learning is exciting, safe, and full of potential. Your words and actions will echo in their confidence for years to come. Teaching in early education means planting seeds you might never see bloom. But know this, you are shaping more than learners. You are cultivating thinkers, creators, and compassionate citizens. The future is brighter because of your every moment, every lesson, and every bit of hope you bring to the classroom.